Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a hand truck wheel. Start by setting the truck on a flat surface and locking the brakes or blocks to prevent movement. Use pliers to remove the cotter pin and a wrench to loosen the axle nut if present. Then slide off the old wheel and clean the axle before measuring for the correct replacement wheel and bearings. Before you replace the wheel, confirm you have the right tools and parts. Measure axle diameter in millimeters or inches and match the wheel bore precisely. Choose bearings suited to your environment and a wheel rated for your typical load and terrain, and consider sealed bearings for wet conditions. Keep a spare cotter pin or retaining nut on hand and lay out parts in order for easy reassembly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: I love the leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy and keep small parts sorted when you work on wheels. They stack nicely, seal tight, and save cleanup time, which is a small upgrade for any DIY session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With parts ready, remove the cotter pin first, then the nut and washer, and slide off the old wheel carefully. Clean the axle with a rag and light lubricant, inspect for burrs or bends, and replace bearings if needed. Slide the new wheel onto the axle, add the washer and nut, tighten to allow free spin without wobble, insert a new cotter pin or lock, and test with a light load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.